Okay, take a deep breath. Force it out.
Oh.
You're good, you're good. Just breathe.
Deep breath. And
Breathe in.
Oh, baby.
Go ahead, just squeeze.
It's not that bad, honey. I've done to myself, and I cried a little bit.
Oh my gosh.
You're almost done. You're almost done.
Oh gosh, that hurts.
See,
Please
it's
tell me
in.
that was in.
It's in.
Kind of.
Don't move. Don't move. Don't move.
Oh my god, that hurt. That did hurt, to be honest.
You handled it
Is
like
the
a
piercing
champ.
in?
No, I still gotta.
Oh my gosh.
I just gotta open it up a little bit more. I'm kidding.
It's already in.
Oh my gosh.
See, you're good. You're good. It looks so fucking cool.
It does. I want to see.
I'll show you. So, how do you feel after your first piercing?
That hurt. That hurt. Ouch. I can still feel it. This is actually not my first piercing.
But her first anchor or thermal.